Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Union City, long distance movers near me. If you're moving more than 50 miles away, it is a long distance move. We assist you in creating a moving plan that fits your timeline, budget, and specifications. Popular issues that arise when people move over long distances are damage to belongings, missing items, or delay in transporting items to a new location. When you hire 3 Movers, you experience none of these issues. We work with state and federal relocation authorities, and we have a valid license to transport your items over long distances. Our movers are highly efficient. They organize and sort your things carefully to prevent damages and mix-ups. Our moving trucks are the best standards. They accommodate, secure, and transport your belongings smoothly. Our drivers are experts. They are careful and always on time. Local moves are less complex than long-distance moves. However, it requires adequate planning and expertise. 3 Movers offers highly efficient local activities in Union City, Georgia. We assist locals in planning and executing their move with ease. Our moving services are very affordable. We keep our moving rates low at about $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Union City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.